Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of Logitech G Hub not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So let me search for Logitech G Hub. I have already installed it on my system. The first solution is to run it as an administrator if it's not launching, because you might be lacking administrator permissions, especially because this is an intensive software and it launched in my case. The second one is to stop the LG Hub updater service. I'll show you where it is. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now this list is in alphabetical order, so we can easily scroll down to L. Right click on the LG Hub updater service and select stop. The next solution is to update drivers through optional updates. How? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then in the right pane click on advanced options. Select optional updates and expand this. If you find any optional update, check it and click on download and install. The next solution is a clean boot, just in case any third-party software is interfering with it. So here's what happens in a clean boot. All third-party programs are stopped at startup and you have to launch them individually. So they will not interfere. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply and OK, and then restart your computer. Obviously, the last option will be to reinstall the Logitech G Hub. Now, how would we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then search for Logitech G Hub here. Click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall, and then uninstall once again and confirm this. Now after this, open the Bing search bar. You have to confirm an installation here as well. Open the Bing search bar and search for Logitech G Hub and hit enter, and you'll get this download button here. Click on download. Wait for the website to load. Click on download for Windows, and then once you download it, click on open. It won't open right now because it hasn't uninstalled on my system, but all you need to do is click on open and it will work. It will install directly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.